This video will talk about fixing your email address inside of your As You Learn course. So anywhere inside your As You Learn course, if you have a text area and you put your email, which is username@appstate.edu, in, you will notice this now shows your username at Appalachian State University. This is because of a filter tool that we've added to As You Learn that does a lot of great things. But quick, easy fix to this, I've got editing on. I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to go to where my email address is. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to make that a link. And I'm going to type in mail to colon and my email address. So mail to, one word, colon, no spaces, username@appstate.edu, create that link and hit save and return to course, and you will see now my email address shows up as a link. And more importantly, since we've put it in as a mail to link, it will automatically, if the browser is configured properly, open their email account up and let them send a message to you just with clicking on here.